All right, so ladies and gents, our Fast 5 workout number 4 consists of these 4 exercises. Exercise number 1 is going to be scissors. Exercise number 2 is going to be lateral lunges while walking. Exercise number 3 is going to be push-up with a ball transfer. And exercise number 4 is going to be windmills. So I'm going to demonstrate those in just a moment. All right, so today's Fast 5 workout number 4 consists of 4 different exercises. The first one is going to be scissors. So what you're going to do is you're going to have 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, and then you're going to alternate going forward and backwards like this. Kind of like how a scissor cuts, okay? Those are scissors. 2, we have lateral squats that are walking lateral squats. So we're going to go 4 to our right, stay low, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to go back to the left 4 times. And we're going to continue doing this for 30 seconds, okay? Then we have transfer ball with push-up. So if you have a ball or a sock ball, highly recommend this. We're going to get into a push-up plank position. And what we're going to do is we're going to place the ball in our hand and we're just going to roll it over back and forth. Okay, so that's going to be our push-up position with a ball. Last but not least, exercise number 4 is going to be our windmills. We're going to go feet a little wider than our shoulder width apart. Right hand goes across and we're going to touch our left toe. Left hand comes up, touch your right toe. So we're going to come up high to low, high to low. Make sure you are not going on your back doing this. We're not swimming, but we're actually reaching up high, going down low, coming back up high, reaching across, okay? So stay tuned. We'll get into that Fast 5 workout in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go, scissors. We're going to start with your left or your right, so it's completely up to you. Go forward and backwards. You guys got. Remember, breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. 5 minutes. All we're gonna do. Work hard for 5 minutes. All right, moving on. We got lateral squats. Walking. 4, 2, 3, 4. One back. 1, 2, 3, 4, one back. 1, 2, 3, 4, one back. Your feet should never cross. They actually should like kind of clap side to side. Definitely replace. All right, we're moving on. We got those transfer push-ups. I'm going to start with my right hand to my left to right. Quick break. Okay, go on your knees, go back up. All right, moving on. Windmills. We're going to go right hand, cross over to the left foot. And up high again. Back and forth. All these windmills. Your seat is sweating. Working hard. That's okay, we all have different levels, different speeds. Do your best. Don't give up. Our last exercise for round number 1. All right, 1 minute water break. Working hard, I love it. Keep up the good work. Don't give up. We're going to start all the way back at the top. Scissors, lateral squats, walking, transfer push-up, all. And 4, we're going to end it with our windmills. 15 seconds left. Back. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Round 2. Scissors, let's go. Oh, I feel a pinch in my hamstring. Keep working hard. Once you get to a nice rhythm, keep it up. Don't give up. Lateral squats, walking. Get low, walk to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay low. Back. 2, 3, 4. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job. Stay low. Keep working hard. Don't give up. All right, moving on. Got those push-up transfers ball. See how many you can do in this round. Windmills. Last exercise, let's go. Make sure you stand all the way up. No cheating. Across the body. Give up with me, folks. And time. You did it. Congratulations. Well, ladies and gents, I am so proud of you for working hard, continuing to not give up. Keep up the good work. Don't quit. The more you guys do these exercises or these workouts, the more your body's going to adjust to it and you're going to feel so much better. So continue to work out with me. Do our Fast 5 workouts, all of our series. This is our 4th video, so if you have not checked out 1, 2, or 3, definitely check those out. Get your family involved, get your friends involved, get your siblings involved, because you know what? It's gonna be so much more fun when you have more people involved with you in these workouts. So, as always at the P spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.